Anytime now, race number 3. The favorite, 11, Escapo. Second choice, New Chapter. Anytime now, race number 3. Away they go. Kuya Yani from the outside. Moving up is Empire Queen, Sir Henry. Escapo also moving up is Smiling Julia. Royal Milestone, Stellar Ace Dugo. Anak Papa to Squeeze on the outside. Lady Boss, Grand Lexter, and Sugar Daddy. New Chapter is running by Dral Kuya Yani on the outside. Escapo in between runners. Empire Queen is watching in fourth position and racing in PP Sir Henry. And as they race the last 500, Kuya Yani by a length and up. Escapo. Empire Queen moving up by Darrell as they race the final corner. Kuya Yani, Empire Queen to grab the lead. Escapo on the outside. Sir Henry, New Chapter with the last 150 meters more to run. Empire Queen by about 3 lengths now. Kuya Yani on the outside. Sir Henry and nearing the finish line. Better go down and collect number 9. Empire Queen. Second, Escapo, Sir Henry, Smiling Julia, and Stellar Ray.